Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't seen this face before, my name is Allegra. No, not like the medicine. And today I'm coming at y'all with like a try on haul. Let me give y'all some backstory. Okay, so when I first joined the military, I got stationed across the country from where I was living, and I didn't know anybody really, just only my two friends that I made in tech school. But like during the holidays and stuff, I was just down, so I developed a very bad habit of depression shopping. That's what I would call it. So I would just go online and shop. I didn't really go outside. I just basically did a lot of online shopping, and then recently, I stopped doing it after 6 months that I was there. When I first got stationed here, that's when it happened. But so then after that, I stopped doing it. I managed my money much better, of course. But just recently, I don't know, I had a relapse or something, y'all, and I had the most random haul. I spent like over $1,000. Actually feels so crazy even saying that out loud. But I spent over $1,000 at like Amazon, Etsy, Fashion Nova. I hate Fashion Nova, y'all. If y'all know me in real life, y'all know I have a very, listen, I can't stand Fashion Nova. Okay, Fashion Nova, what else? Although I so much stuff, but I may as well just share with y'all because hey, look, I'm gonna use it, whatever, and then it's never gonna happen again. I'm done. I'm not doing it again. I commit myself to no longer doing another going through depression shopping. I'm not doing it ever again. Okay, so let's just hop right into the video. I like Charlotte Ruse's jeans. I know everybody's so into wearing like Charlotte Fashion Nova jeans or whatever, and they're super stretchy, of course. Okay, cool. But you know what I noticed? Their jeans, the pockets are so tiny. Okay, I don't like them. I just don't like the way they fit. But these are jeans. These are regular pockets on jeans. Okay, these are just regular, fairly distressed legging jeans, size 10. At Victoria's Secret, I got a whole bunch of crap. It's the Wear Everywhere push-up bra. And then I got another bra that is Wear Everywhere t-shirt bra. Okay, but you know what? If you bought two bras, you got a free bra. So that was kind of like a good buy. So I got this bra. It's just I don't know, a bra. I don't know, just a bra. And then I got these sweatpants outfit, like these sweat outfits. Do you see this? This is so cute. Do you see this color though? Like, watch out, babe. Look at this color. How could I pass this up? Okay, it's a hoodie. All right, okay. It was worth it. And it came with bottoms. You see these shorts? Okay. So I got the shorts and I got the pants. These are from Pink, so if you couldn't read it the first time. I also got this in yellow because I would be asleep if I didn't. Same thing. Top is this one's unzipped because I'm unprepared. But yeah. And then they got the 5 for 28 or whatever underwear. So I got those. I'm not gonna show y'all those. Or do y'all want me to show y'all? I don't know. I'm not gonna show y'all those. And I got some face masks. Because they were at the front. Listen, I don't know. I just got them. Stop judging me. I'm sharing this with y'all so that you can learn from my mistakes. Okay. So this is grand total $260. Learn from my mistakes, y'all. That's moral of the story. Learn from my mistakes. That's the moral. I also ordered 2 outfits from this boutique in New Orleans called Shop with Pink, but it's on IG, so it's a New Orleans based boutique. But Shop with Pink. It's this little polka dot. These are pants. It's a polka dot, like flowy pants. They're long. I thought they were going to be bright pink, but they're more like a mauve color, which is fine because I like mauve. And then this is the top that goes with it. It goes over your shoulder. I like it, but I probably could have gotten away with getting a smaller size. But whatever. I'm not too fond of returning things. I don't know why. I just kind of don't like returning stuff. That, and I also got this. It's a clapper fit. The shirt is too big, like I said, but I'm gonna try to tie it in the front. Maybe that'll make it fit a little better. And then this, the bottoms, you know, the clappers. Boom, that's that. That was like $60. Next is from Shein. Okay, I never ordered from Shein before, but they actually have really like good stuff. Okay, it's not like the best quality, it's not like amazing quality, but for the price, it's really good quality, y'all. Okay, I ordered these sandals. Look at these sandals, they are so cute. Snake skin strap around your ankle, but you know, like this actually is a weird clasp thing, because I don't know, I don't think it actually, like, you see that, whatever. Anyways, that's interesting. So I got these shoes. It's like a marble bag. It comes with straps, like it comes with like a chain as the strap. But a fanny pack, okay, which I plan to wear in Vegas. White fanny pack. This was like $6, y'all. Like Shein is go back. You can shop there, okay? Go to Shein. Another fanny pack. The straps are inside, like the little belt part is inside of here. A little tiny backpack. It's like super small. Another little over-the-shoulder bag. A fade, like a faux suede material. I don't know. Now let's get to the clothes, y'all. Got a top. I got a few like crop tops. I got this crop top. It's pink. I tried it on already. That's why it's wrinkled. It's white and it's like cut out. It's really cute the way it fits. I got a black one, regular black crop top, and then another black crop top that's similar to the white one, the way it fits. I got a swimsuit. The bottom stay phenomenal because this me. The top is long sleeve, you know, because my armpits burnt. Still says phenomenal all the way around. And this is actually really nice material. It has like the padding inside. And I got some little costume jewelry. That's what you call fake jewelry. Just a few bracelets and the anklet. Alright, y'all. Now we are to Fashion Nova. I got this dress. Brown dress. A brown like satin type dress. Cool. Size medium. And then I got this dress. It's gold. It's like a little top. Just because if I don't feel comfortable with my underarms there, then I can wear this one. I got this bodysuit. And when I took it out of the packaging, it had a stain on it. You probably can't see it. So I emailed them and I was like, yo, this has a stain on it. You don't accept bodysuits as returns, like their final sale. And I told them, you know, this had a stain on it when I got it, and they sent me the money back instead of, well, they gave me a gift card. You know how they do. But I ended up trying to wash it out. It's still there, so you can't tell on here, but I don't know if I'll wear it. I bought some shorts. Well, these are Bermuda shorts. Bermuda shorts. These are size 11. Some regular shorts. Just some. But like I like these because they are like high low kind of, like, see how these are, the front is shorter than the back. I like that because I don't like my butt cheeks out. I'm a hot girl, but you know, not that hot. Another pair of shorts. All my shorts are, the numbers are 11 and the letters are a large. So that's just what these brown ones look like. And I like I said, these are, you know, these, you can see that these are shorter in the front than they are in the back. I like that. This arrived today, so we're going to save that for last because, like I said, I have a problem. I bought some shoes. These are just some brown heels. I wear a big tent. I got the Buenos Aires, I think, romper, you know. That, you know, it's just the bodysuit romper, one piece. Because, you know, it's summer. Like, look at this color. How could you not buy it? You have to have something this bright. And I got some slides that match it because I bought this dress. This dress is so cute, y'all. Like, it looks like it's like some pleather. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all it's pleather, but size medium. And bodysuit. It's like a cow neck snake skin bodysuit. It's a little too big, but at the same time, it's fine. It's whatever. I got it in a medium. And then I got this heather gray, you know, regular bodysuit. I prefer to wear bodysuits unless I'm wearing high-waisted pants. But if I wear regular jeans that fit on my hips or whatever, I like to wear bodysuits because I don't want my crack showing. Because, you know, your waist is small, but you got a little bit more butt or little hips, which, you know, they just act like, you know, they can't find no pair of pants they can't make pants that just fit right, okay? They gotta be high-waisted these days. Another bodysuit, just plain white. I thought this was gonna be too big, but it's actually perfectly fine. It's a medium. Did get some jeans from them, but these pockets are normal. Well, they a little smaller, but they just regular jeans. Well, distressed jeans. See the holes in the knees and stuff. Are these the Teenage Fever ones? No, these are Say Yes to Distress, size 11. I'm going to Summer Jam at the end of the month as well. And Megan Thee Stallion gonna be there, so I gotta be on my hot girl-ish. And I'm gonna wear these because I feel like, how could I not? Like, why wouldn't I? I got these in a large. They're just some joggers. They have like a thick kind of material. It's like a thick, you hear that? It's like a thick material. But they not like, I don't know. I'm gonna wear this because I feel like it's very Megan Thee Stallion-ish. She's not the only person that's gonna be there, but she's the main person I'm going for because I love her, okay? I love me. Some shorts, also from Fashion Nova. These fit really well, like they don't show my butt. Cheeks at the bottom. So, that's that. I ordered this bag from Aldo because it was half off. It was only $27, y'all. This little backpack. It's cute, right? This is the package from today. I don't know why Fashion Nova be trying to put these cards in here. Oh, Fashion Nova save 25% off. We already know we can use save 30 every time. You'll save 30%. So why would you use 25%? Save 30, y'all. It's a so messed up pant set. Because I'm a highlighter. Brighten up y'all day when you see me in this. I really hope oh Lord. I don't know if I can fit. Oh, it's stretchy. So it has like the underwear in the inside. I don't know. Can y'all see that? See the underwear? Long pants. And I don't want y'all to see my little nubs. And the top. This is the top. I really hope my underarms heal, y'all, before babies, because I don't want to have to wear a cardigan with this. I mean, but I can still wear it, you know, just don't be like, hey. But I'm always like that, so. And I ordered some pajamas. Fashion Nova actually does have, like, really nice pajama sets, so. I got these. I bought another pajama set, too, but I already washed it and wore it. But this is the top. That's cute, right? It's pajamas, not lingerie, guys, so don't freak out. And these are the I don't know why I'm wearing these, but to bed. That's it. Only in the bed. I can't even go check the mail in these. What's wrong with you? Stop that crying. You can't check the mail in these, baby. You can see straight through them. You can see straight through these, baby. I got a romper. I guess it go around my neck like this. Yeah, okay. So it's just a romper, shorts, but it's cute, right? Look at how cute that is. And then look at the top. It's like a little knot. Y'all, that is cute, okay? I couldn't just not get it. And it was buy one, get one free. So on this last package that I just opened, I only spent $50 on it. That's including shipping. Oh, but you know I had the 20 $20 return, like gift card, so I used that. So it was like $70, then I used that, paid $50. Look at this dress, y'all, cause look, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Look at that, y'all. Listen, all I know is this thing fit. It's a wrap. How's your kids? How's your wife, baby? Because I'm shutting it down. So, I don't know. I feel like my booty just wasn't like sitting. I ain't been to the gym in a long time, so I ain't been hitting them squats like that. So I bought these. This is trash. I'm not never wearing that. Like, it looks so stupid, y'all. I would never wear that. I don't understand how y'all do it. If y'all do, it's not for me. I put the grand total probably in the description box or whatever. One of my friends told me that's what she liked. She liked to see how much people spend. But listen, I don't know. It's embarrassing. I definitely spent at least $1,000, and it's not happening again. I'm not buying nothing else for myself. Well, I'm gonna get 2 pair of shoes, tennis shoes. So I really don't wear tennis shoes, but that's really it. And I got a gift card for $50, all right? So, but yeah, so that's all I'm buying to the end of the year. I'm not buying anything else. I'm really good at not spending money on myself. So this was a treat yourself moment, okay? I'll see y'all later in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.